make sure this thing is clean before I open it up. It's quite usable for now. It's not as new as my 13, but you can still use it, guys. If it works, it works. Now first, let's remove these 2 screws in the bottom. I need to use this cap to suck it up so I can try to fit something here underneath the screen, because there's a small adhesive. English is difficult language.
Adhesive.
Okay, let's remove this. I said adhesive because it's important. Don't go too inside, not cut. There's some stuffs inside in there. Be careful when you do this, guys. Don't go too deep. Do not cut some connector cables in there. Should go around. Let's use this plastic, it's more safe. Just go around your phone. It's coming out. Yeah. Now it's open. It's time to do some operation here, guys. As we can see, first we need to remove this plate that is covering the connectors. We need to remove them all, including this screen sensor at the beginning. Check it closer here. Which type of screws is the 3Y? Now we use this tweezer and remove this plate, guys. With it, let's put this connector back. Okay, well, now we are going to remove first is the battery. The battery cable is the third one. After removing the battery cable, let's remove this screen cable, this one, and then after this one too. Okay, now the last one, we need to remove this. Be careful, guys, when you remove this one, because the screen sensor is already glued here, so you need to remove it very careful. You have some glue already in other cable. Now you are ready to remove it, is this one. Okay, now the screen is safe to come off. The screen is safe to come off here. Now it's time, guys, to remove these batteries. And here inside of this pack we have a new battery. And the new battery need to be installed. We need to replace the old one. It looks so much like real, but it's not real, from Apple. And then here we have some glues, adhesive to glue these batteries on the case. But look the beauty of it, guys. Look what Apple have done. The cameras, the sensors, the face reading. It's First, I need to remove. There's some adhesive here. I need to pull them out. If it fails, I will try to use is a liquid to special, how we call it. Anyway, you can remove the adhesive. I don't know how to say these words.
Adhesive.
As you can see here, we need to go easy. Let's try to remove it with this tweezer. Easy on it. And guys, be careful when you work with battery because they can catch fire or even explode. So we need to be very careful. Here I'm removing. Give a twist and slowly pull it off. It will, oh, it's breaking apart. Please don't. Slowly, take your time. It will come off eventually. Just a little bit more. Okay, this battery is free to go. Now we still have 1, 2, 3 to remove here. So we need to be very careful. Do the same thing as the first one. Let me use this thing that can fit perfectly in there. Nope. It's almost impossible to remove it like this. So I think the solution will be actually to add the liquid solution underneath it and try to see. Now it's supposed to remove faster because I put this solution underneath it, hopefully. This solution is really helping it to come out really quickly, guys. Yeah, that was quicker. The solution helped it here. Now let's remove the leftovers of this glue. Clean also the sides because they need to go. Here is the new battery, but first, before we put the new battery in place, let's add this adhesive. Okay, let's take it sides. Same here. It's tight and fair. Now we peel it off. Depends. Now we can remove this blue sticker on top. So let's put everything back. But before that, I'm going to put back this sticker for waterproof. It's like applying the screen protector. Now let's make sure it's tight. Now we can remove the sticker. Okay. Now, as you can see here, we have the sealing all sides. So when we put our screen, it will be tight, locked. Now it's time to put the screen back. Let me see if there's any residues of... No, there's no residues of the peeling. Just a little bit here, clean it up. What else? Nope. Okay, the screen is ready to go back to its place. Let's align it. And time to put it back. Because now I might turn it on. Problem solved, guys. I changed it, I fixed it. Now everything seems to be perfect. The phone is back on and the battery is brand new. Now let's put the screws and we can close this iPhone and call it a day.
Guys, if somehow you find this video helpful, please help me with algorithm by liking, comment and subscribe.
Let's make sure it's very tight. Voila!